Hey guys, this is Dooley. So in this video, we will continue talking about the where operator, which allows us to filter data. In the previous video, we used it to filter this data that we have displayed here. We used it on integers, fruits, and this is an array of a custom object that we created before. So this is the gene class where you have two properties, a string and an integer. Have two functions here. One that gives me a list of genes and one that gives me an array of genes and just returns that back to me. Alright, so in this video, we are essentially going to use the where operator again to do the same thing. However, we are going to use the query expression syntax. In the previous video, we used the fluent syntax. So let's go ahead and do that for data 1. Okay, where let's say we're going to get all the numbers that are less than 20. Okay, so let's get filtered data. Okay, and we know that using query expression syntax starts with from. Let's give it the name D, data in data 1. Data 1, and now we're gonna lay out our conditions to the where clause. Okay, what's the condition we want? We want the integer, that is D. We want it to be great. Was it greater? It was less than 20. That's what we wanted. Okay, and then we'll select that to put it where we want. Alright, so that's what we got. So let's go ahead and print that and see what we're going to have printed. Okay, filtered data. Alright, so let's run this and see what we got. Alright, so anything that's less than 20 is what we're getting. And it is accidentally in order, going from 2 to 12, but we didn't actually order this. So let's order it um, in a descending manner. So let's use the order by. Oops. Order by. What do we want to order by? We want to order by the data, which is D. And then here we can add descending because that is actually what we want. Okay, so let's run this. See what we get. So we should get 12 to 2. Alright, so pretty easy, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that for fruits. So var filtered fruits. And again, we start with from fruit in fruits where. Again, last time we checked for strings that contain the letter A. So let's go for letter R. Okay, so the string is F that contains R. We want to select F. Okay. Actually, we're not printing it. Let me go ahead and do that. Let's run that again. Alright, so now it's giving us all the strings that contain R. So oranges, cherries, strawberry, berry, grapes. So what's missing here is mango. Mango doesn't have R in it. So there you go. Okay, and you can, again, you can continue to add stuff here if you want. So what can you do? Let's say order by what? Order by the length of the string, for example. So order by F that length. So this is gonna go from shortest to longest string in that array. Alright, so you start from berry and get down to strawberry. Alright, so that's that. So let's go ahead and use it for the custom object. So filter jeans. It's going to be again from jeans. Actually from G. That's just G in jeans. Now what do we want? We want something where jean.fitness is greater than 7, for example. And we want to order by fitness. Order by g.fitness. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and that's what we want. And by the way, you don't have to get the whole thing here. You can simply decide to get the sequence only. Okay, so that will just give us the two sequences corresponding to these two fitnesses. There we go. Alright, so this is how you would use the where operator with query expression syntax. So in the past two videos we've talked about the where operators, which allows us to filter data, which is like picking a portion of the data that fits a certain criteria. So that's what the where operator does. So in this video we sort of looked at how to do it in the query expression syntax, whereas in the last we used the fluent syntax. Alright, so this is the video, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like these videos and you want to know when they're coming up, and if you like them, please hit the like button. And if you've got questions, go ahead and ask me in the comment section. I will respond, and I'll see you next time. All right.